Star, don't skip, wait, part the story began with a man. One night call. The airport with a man who appears to be their partner. However, she secretly slipped a phone into another province. Pocket where man checks the phone. Let's see a video of the woman showing help me. Message writing on hair. Thank you so for watching. Goodbye.